Take your time. Musukutatazela. Take your uyiqede leyo nyanga. I'm back at it mntanami Big Lit TV. Ngiphethe imamazi kuhamba kanjani?
Ngishaphi na?
Mfethu usakhuluma nini ngale ndaba yokuthi kumele wenze le challenge?
Maybe it's a year and a half.
A year and a half. Siplan ukuthi soyishutha le episode and ethi kumina ufuna ngisho chips elibabayo. Ngiphethe inyuku vandag, ngiphethe into right. Uthi ngizokunika ama hot wings awu10. Ne? Ama hot wings awu10 uzowashaya in 10 minutes. Mawukuthi uyaqeda under 10 minutes, ungakapheli u10 minutes, ngizokunika imali ngo100 rand. Yabo? Kodwa ke asibone namhlanje ukuthi kuzohamba kanjani. Uphelephe uqale nini ukudla?
From my childhood.
Hayi ke awasenzi childhood. Pelepele into nasekinga indlovu izophana ngemali kudle upelepele. Ngithemba ukuthi ni ready for ihabana sauce. Harbana. Ukhona ungathanda ukungikhotha umuno? Ngeke. Hayibo. Ngeke. Ngathi izothi qhu njengeshampompo o. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah. Injani ya baba? Injani? Ibaba kakhulu? Or injani mnandi? Iphe baba kakhulu, ile brown noma ile red. Iphe baba kakhulu. Injani uzizwa unjani anithenga ithishu baba wami salute injani lempahla ya baba ne so uthini baba kuphi baba emqaleni baba emalipsini ibaba aphi uzizwa unjani
Babe emadlebeni.
Babe emadlebeni bathi dume emadlebeni lempahla harbana sauce uzizwa unjani nje njengamanje kuyaphusheka kodwa take your time musukutatazela take your uyiqede leyo nyanga ayibabi injani
so sele nge5
injani ithambula umunye ngiyabonga ithambula umunye oh shendele bobo oh shipopo injani babe emqaleni oh uthe amakhala khuluma nami injani isikhathi unaso 10 minutes mkhulu injani
Litha ichilies lemo.
ayibabi awu
yazi wena vala lama cravings lawo
awufuni ukuphuza amanzi ngoba ayibabi
thula wena ugcibe thula mampendulo
injani nje uzizwa unjani uzizwa umuntu ongababelo mhlawumbe akhale
ngaphendule thola waphendula ngoba ayushayile shwana 10 minutes
ayibabi ne
hayi akakafike lo
mhlawumbe angithelanga kahle yabhana sauce why nibe nomona
awushayile
ngithola ungqola
bezoshawa uwe uyintombazana mina ngijita ngifuna 20
ya awuyangigcwalisela ke manje
uqedelele uzoshaya namathambo bakhombisa ukuthi lo phela ubani
kuba fethu buka la sitsheni fethu
shaye konke ukhombisa ukuthi lento
kudlalwa ngami la akudlalwa ngami la
awukakadluli no 6 minutes
mfethu yazi sakubani isikhathi
uza nevati ube right ulinde u10 minutes
yamuza uba futhi uphuze namanzi ube right musulini 10 minutes
wahlafune namathambo
njani nyana ay babanyana enda barimini nako iring mongwaneng so wena yazi mfethu into ngiqanga uqedela ama wings in 3 minutes wazi namathambo for the first time kule show kuyaqala ukuthi umuntu ashaya into azayithi yini ayibabi le habana ayibabi ne so uthini ngenze njani omunye olandelayo ungamtheleli lene thela
Ngicela umthelele triple shot.
Triple shot. Okay. So landela bafethu kumele ngimthelele triple shot. You are too close my brother. Hayi ngiyashutha la. Yeah, you're too close. You're too close my brother. My brother is too close. There is money in between. Njengoba ishilo guys le mali yakwidatha bafethu njengoba ngishilo I feel like giving away some money ifamily yami abangani bami siphila sonke la eJozi so noma ngabe vele bengawaqedanga vele idatha bengimthengela Biglit TV make sure that you subscribe khamba kanje support isikhathi angithi awuzwa nix
Siba ngcono manje.
yehlile akwenzeki lutho akuthi khala
akakaphuzi
awuthi la 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 la
awufuna amanzi
Thank you guys.
ayibabi
Jomi uthamaye Jomi
ayibabi lutho
Jomi yami
kancane
But it's worth it.
ne King Ginger Cream de la Cream awushilo bafethu in 3 minutes washaywa waqeda imali uyayideserve vele usewinile vele she's the winner big up to her bafethu and make sure that you subscribe on this #1 channel this is Biglit TV mntanami my name is King Ginger Cream de la Cream podla amanzi abafokazane bebhoda utshwala asikhuphuke ngenamba lapha asikhuphuke ngenamba lapha ekuse asidlali sejozi sabafaka ohapana sauce on the next one I'm going to change the hapana sauce I'm going to put another one ngizwe ukuthi yababa ngempela yini until the next one King Ginger mncane